I am researcher number 1, Paula Cristilaboy.
Researcher number 2, Megan Beru.
And researcher number 3, Abigail Guillermo.
So in this video, we are going to talk about the study that we have created to solve a crisis about rats, and it is called Effectiveness of Spearmint and Basil Extracts Against Rats.
Rats.
Have you ever heard of leptospirosis? Yes, it is a disease caused by rats, and rats are very well known to damage property, contaminate food, especially spread diseases.
Yes, it is even said by the Department of Health that a total of 2,495 leptospirosis cases were reported from January 1 to December 2, 2017.
Oh my!
But leptospirosis is not the only disease caused by rats. We also have hantavirus pulmonare syndrome, rat bite fever, and plague. But we all know they are very deadly.
And the spray of ours might be the solution.
In our extract or spray, we have used two plants, both spearmint and basil. These two plants are both relatives of Lamiaceae or mint family.
Both of the plants are very well known for their strong scent, especially from the family that they came from. We humans love it, but rats hate it.
So as you can see, our aim here is to prove to you guys that both spearmint and basil can be used to help people avoid rats at home for better security.
We have two hypotheses for our study. First is the null hypothesis, which says there is no significant difference on the behavior of rats before and after spraying the spearmint spray, basil spray, or when both are combined. Second is the alternative hypothesis, which says there is significant difference on the behavior of rats before or after spraying the spearmint spray, basil spray, and when both are combined.
We should let you know when our study is approved and everything is settled. It will benefit all of us and maybe even the future.
First is the medical center. It will reduce the number of people being affected by such diseases and at the same time not affecting the people by the chemicals inside such repellent.
Community. It is organic and environment friendly, so it will lessen the use of factories and might even lessen the pollution.
Third, the future researchers. Again, we don't want our future to be polluted. So, with expanding this study, it will teach the researchers in the future to be more organic and creative.
This will only be a field experiment where we will observe, gather data, and conclude about the experiment that's happening in front of us.
But where do we do it?
Megan, this will only take place in a residential area or in a small empty room.
We are going to choose the plants carefully to make sure that the extract will work. In short, we are going to choose them purposely.
So when we collect rats, we just have to be random and just gather results in the end, right?
Right!